This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. Go on. Let's send the train to the depot. Let's change the position of a driver's controller to start going. Look at the figure on the screen and choose the door of the right shape. Tap on the arrow on the control panel to head for the right door. We need to assemble the dressing. Keep it up. Let's load the empty bags onto the dressing. Let's load the necessary items into the machine. That's all. Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. Let's wash the dressing. Let's start foaming to clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Don't stop. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Run the washer over the machine. We need to assemble the minecart. Done! Now let's load the materials into the minecart. You're doing really great. We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Keep it up.